Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to chat with support in the Botim app. If you have ever faced issues with the app or needed assistance, this video will guide you through the process quickly and easily. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and select the Notifications option. Then, scroll down through the list of options until you find Contact Us. Click on Contact Us and you will be directed to a new screen where you can access customer support. Finally, the Chat with Support will open. Here, you can type your message describing your problem or question, and a support agent will respond to assist you. Make sure to provide clear details to get the fastest and most accurate help. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.